Hey guys, I'm Malachi. So you clicked on this video for one reason. You want to go to Form 6. Well, you clicked the right video. This is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for Form 6. We're gonna get right into it. So, this is the prerequisites that you must have if you want to apply to Form 6. You must have 5 passes, including mathematics and English. If you somehow do not have these passes, it will make it a lot harder to get into the school, as some schools do allow you to come to their Form 6 program if you are good at certain skills. So that could be football, cricket, any kind of sports that could also give you an advantage when applying to Form 6. But please know the prerequisites are mathematics and English and 5 CSEC passes. So the first thing you want to do is get a CSEC results. So results often come out in August. The time of filming, results are out today. So you want to get your results, make sure that you have all your passes. You could celebrate if we did good, but it is a lot of work for this Form 6 application. You're going to be running around for the next week or two, anxiously awaiting phone calls and waiting for the schools to make a decision. So once you have these results, what you want to do is go and make a copy of it. So this is how it would look once copied. So you're going to copy it, and then you're going to go to your current school that you did CSEC with. Once at this school, you're going to get a stamp from the school to make this copy official. Once this have been stamped, you could go and make more copies to distribute to different schools. First thing, get your CSEC results. The second thing, make copies. Thirdly, get it stamped as official. But I just remember this could either be if you're applying to your same school or if you're willing to transfer. So once you're at your current school, if you want to transfer, you're going to get a recommendation letter from your form teacher or principal. While you're at the school, you're going to get one of these transfer forms. You only get one, so I'd recommend make copies. With this form, you're going to let your principal sign everything out for you. And once this has been signed, you could go distribute it to the schools you want to transfer to. So, those are some of the essential things you need. So this is one of the folders I had while I was applying for Form 6. I had about 5 folders because I was applying to 5 different schools. I was applying to 3 schools that I really wanted to go to. One school that I know was good, but also a safety school, just to ensure that I have something if my plans don't work out. In this folder, what you want to have is a stamped result. You filled out folders, your recommendation letter, your birth paper. It has to be original and the copies, as well as a passport size photo. All your application forms, it will be best to work with a passport size photo. Some schools may not require it, but some schools do, and you'll feel really bad if you don't have a passport size photo and the application do not go through. So now you have this folder ready to hand out to the schools. What you want to do is you want to stalk all your schools on social media. This could be via the school website. This could be through friends of the school you want to apply to, as well as their Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok accounts. Stalk it, so you can know what dates you come in, what additional documents you may need, everything that could help you. So when you're there at the school on that day, you're already organized and you already have everything. So most school post the day that you want to come in, the day after results. So the day after results to the week after results, that is when the school's gonna say, hey, you're gonna have to come in. So from my personal experience while applying at St. Augustine, I would recommend you go to your past school, because St. Augustine has a transcript performative form where you have to fill out the information if you have ever been suspended, the principal recommendation, your transcript, everything. So I'd recommend going to St. Augustine before you go to the original school where you did CSEC. If you're applying to Bishops and Trinity College, their entire Form 6 process is online and they do early applications. So you would know if you got into the school way before other schools start to call you. These are just some tips that I want to give you. Apply early. Organize your folder the day after you get your results. I would recommend having these folders and labeling them with the schools I want to go to. I don't think I labeled this one, but I think this one was for Hillview College. which I did not drop in because their application process ended at 8 a.m. and I did not know that. So that's why stalking their social media is important. Okay, so that's all the information that I have on how to apply to Form 6. Please know that this could vary based on different schools, whether you're transferring out, whether you're going back to the same school, or it could vary based on different regions or countries. Congratulations on your results, and congratulations for wanting to take the next step to Form 6. It is going to be a lot of work, but it's rewarding at the end. Especially if you want scholarships or if your job or career requires it. It really will be a lot, but it will be very interesting. So yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video to anyone who you think will want to do Form 6, who may be passionate about applying to Form 6 but do not know the procedure. I was in this case last year when I was applying to Form 6. I did not know what to do, so this video would have helped me so much back then. So check the description for the checklist of all the things that you need when applying for Form 6, and subscribe. See you in the next one.